So come to the first question, because the whole question is divided in two parts. One is zoology question and answers, and another is botany questions and answers. And in this session we will discuss about zoology questions. Okay. The first question was, the colostrum, the yellowish fluid secreted by mother during the initial stage of lactation, is very essential to impart the immunity to the newborn infants, because it contains, the question was asked with four options: NK cells or natural killer cells, option 2 monocytes, option 3 macrophages, option 4 immunoglobulin A or IgA. So which of the following will be true? The correct option is option 4. This is a direct question from NCERT chapter human reproduction. Okay, so now we will discuss what is the NK cell. NK cell are non-specific, non-phagocytic lymphocytes. As you know that there are two kinds of lymphocytes. One is T lymphocytes and there is B lymphocytes. So these NK cells are non-phagocytic lymphocytes. It means they cannot be act as like a phagocytic cells, and these are non-specific. As we know that T lymphocytes are specific cells, but these NK cells are not specific cells. They can act over a ranges of varieties of cells, and the path of clearing the pathogen is the secreting by some porphyrin and cytolysin, that like chemicals, and that lyses the outer covering of the any organism and can clear the pathogen. Then what is a macrophage? Macrophage is derived from monocytes. Okay, monocyte is the fragment of blood cells, so which plays a vital role in phagocytosis. Phagocytosis means a cell can directly engulf the pathogen or the target cell, and as we know that there are Kupffer cells in liver which act as a macrophage cells. Mesangial cells in our kidney, they are always moving in the blood, and they are always helpful for the grabbing the pathogens and clearing of these pathogens. And microglial cells in central nervous systems. Okay, so as you know these three options, our fourth option is immunoglobulin A. So we also know that there is a B lymphocyte. B lymphocyte is also differentiated into 5 kinds of immunoglobulin cells, and we are calling together it as a antibody cells. So we again discuss what are 5 kinds of immunoglobulin cells. The first one is IgA, which was asked in a question. This IgA type of, it is also called immunoglobulin alpha, because these chains are actually identification for the different types of the immunoglobulin cells. So the IgA is predominantly found in mucus, saliva, tears, and breast milk. These all are predominantly, we can say that IgA can be easily found in all secretion of our body. Okay, so always mark that if question is asked on secretion or breast milk or saliva or tears, in these chemicals or in these secretions, IgA will be more. Then IgD, which is a part of B cell receptor, and also it activates the basophils and mast cells. Then IgE, which is the playing main role against the parasitic worms, and as well as it will be very sensitized to the allergic. Okay, so mark that word, that is allergy. When our body react with allergic conditions, in that time IgE will be predominant. Then come to IgG, which secretes by plasma cells in the blood, and this is the first B lymphocyte or the first immunoglobulin cell can transport from mother to the fetus. It can also cross the placenta. Okay, then IgM, it may be attached to the surface of B cell receptor, but IgM is the prime immunoglobulin which plays a major role for the early part of the immunity. Okay, so try to remember these names so that we can easily identify that is the function of each and every immunoglobulin cells. So students and friends, this is our first question.